I've got my dock over here, and I'm going to go ahead and open up About This Mac. If you tap on the Apple logo in the top, that'll be the best way to get to it. And you'll see here that between the overview, display, memory, support, and all that is storage, which is going to give you a per gigabyte breakdown of what is on your Mac. If you tap on Manage right here, you'll notice that you have a bit of a more detailed breakdown of your storage down to your specific applications, documents, what's stored locally and copied, or I should say backed up on iCloud Drive. We can get into that more later in a different video. Your mail, messages, other things like that. We don't get a very clear breakdown of what's going on there. We're not sure what's happening. In these areas, we can rely on some third-party apps to help us understand the storage breakdown a little bit better, and I'll get to that in just a moment. I went ahead and did a Google search for Disk Inventory X, so you'll want to do the same thing. That's the name of an app that is available for Mac and PC that gives you a very, very detailed per gigabyte breakdown of everything that's on your Mac. So to get this app on your computer, you'll want to tap on the Downloads tab here, and then you'll find all the links right up here. This is the link for the Mac version, and then once you've downloaded it, I'll go ahead and come back here. You'll go through the process of installing it, and if you got any questions about that, feel free to give us a call. Once you have it opened up, it'll give you an option to open your hard drive. So you can tap on that. It'll start to search through the entire drive, and we'll wait a minute for that to finish up. And once it's all done, you'll get a breakdown of all the storage that's on your computer. Okay, and we're back now. It didn't take too terribly long, but it's not super quick. We've got everything broken down by gigabyte here. Follow down the line here. You'll see the size of the files is displayed right here. And most of my larger files are living in the drum set library of Logic Pro X, which is a music creation software that I use. So for you, maybe that'll be documents, or maybe that'll be Photoshop files or something like that. Who knows? But hopefully that'll help to kind of just give you an idea of how to make best use of your storage. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call us. We would love to help. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please like and subscribe. We would really appreciate it. Have a great week. Bye-bye.